Hi friends, this is Aditya. This is my new video. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Today I am going to explain about chess. Now I am going to explain about chess. Chess is an indoor game, and this chessboard have total 64 boxes and total 8 rows and 8 columns. You can watch this. And now I am going to removing this all coins with explanation. This is called a rook in National Chess Standard. In our local standard, we call this as elephant. In Hindi, we call this elephant hathi. And this is the knight in chess standard. In our local language, this is horse. In Hindi, ghoda. And this is the bishop in National Chess Standard. We call it this in our local language camel. In Hindi, this is oont. And this is the king. In Hindi, we call this Raja. And this is the queen in the chess standard. In our local language, this is minister. In Hindi, this is called Rani. And these are the same coins, and in the opponent player same to same. Now I am going to removing this all coins. Now I am going to play with these pawns. You can keenly watch me. And this is a chessboard. This is the center of this chessboard. Please observe this chessboard. This is the center of this chessboard. Now I am going to play with these pawns. First step is whites. Now I am going to play with this pawn. This pawn can be moved 2 steps or 1 step in starting. Now I am going to play 2 steps like this. Now I am going to play with black. Now I am going to play 1 step like this. Now whites. You have to play, see the opponent player's game. Now black step. Like this. You have to see the opponent player's game and you have to play like this. Like this you have to play. You have to keenly see the opponent player's game. In next video, I can explain how to capture these pawns. How to capture these pawns. And today's likes target is 10 likes. And please share this video. Thank you.